Here's some fields of study trivia. Subscribe. Which discipline studies plants and animals? Is it A, anatomy, chemistry, C, physics, or D, biology? The correct answer is D, biology. What field encompasses principles of numbers? Is it A, linguistics, B, mathematics, C, physics, or D, geography? The correct answer is B, mathematics. Which study focuses on economic systems? Is it A, psychology, B, geography, C, sociology, or D, economics? The correct answer is D, economics. What area examines human behavior in societies? Is it A, geography, B, economics, C, biology, or D, sociology? The correct answer is D, sociology. Which science investigates the physical world? Is it A, biology, B, sociology, C, physics, or D, psychology? The correct answer is C, physics. What discipline is dedicated to teaching and learning methods? Is it A, curriculum design, B, education, C, biology, or D, sociology? The correct answer is B, education. Which field entails the study of computation and algorithms? Is it A, biology, B, astronomy, C, mathematics, or D, computer science? The correct answer is D, computer science. What study focuses on the motion of objects and forces? Is it A, thermodynamics, B, dynamics, C, quantum physics, or D, fluid mechanics? The correct answer is B, dynamics. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.